Hello and welcome to Bhagri Foundation. This is an informative video regarding vacancies of Assistant Center Intelligence Officer Grade 2 Executive, that is ACIO 2 Executive. This is a vacancy for the Intelligence Bureau. But before applying, check your suitability. You have to fill up this form online. This is a Group C post, non-gazetted, non-ministerial. It falls in the level 7. Basic pay is 44,900 plus allowances. The allowances that are applicable for this job are DA 46%. Presently DA is 46%. It increases as the prices rise. It is called dearness allowances. There is 20% of the basic pay. Special security allowances is also there for this post. Presently it is 8,980 rupees. It includes HRA. You will get HRA also, house rent allowances ranging from 9 to 27%. For the X city like Delhi, it is 27%, and for vice category cities like Jammu, it is 18%, and other rural cities, it is 9%. You will also get transport allowances. It is called TPTA, rupees 1800 plus DA. The government contribute 14% in the NPS and 10% the employee contribute in the new pension scheme. In addition to this, you will get cash compensation for 30 days, means you will get 13 months salary in a year. There will be annual increment, medical facility, LTC, children education allowance you will get, and government accommodation. The total vacancies are 995, unreserved vacancies are 377. The age limit are 18 to 27 years. There will be age relaxation for 5 years for SC and ST and 3 years for OBC candidates. Essential qualification is general graduation only. The last date is 15th December. जैसे आज 13 है तो कल का दिन 14-15 को रात के 12 बजे तक you can fill this form online. So there will be 2 stages examination, tier 1 exam and tier 2 exam. Most important, this service belongs to All India Transfer Liability. You will have to serve throughout India. Those who are willing to serve anywhere in India only need to apply. तो ये देख के भरना है, बिकॉज IB वाले जो आपका होम स्टेट होगा वो कभी नहीं देंगे, वो डिफरेंट स्टेट ही एलोकेट करते हैं. ये सारे स्टेट्स हैं जहाँ पे एग्ज़ाम सेंटर भर सकते हैं. Tier 1, in the Tier 1 examination there will be 100 MCQ. There will be 5 parts, 20 question from each part. There will be 20 questions for current affair, 20 questions for general studies, 20 questions for numerical ability, and 20 questions for logical aptitude or reasoning, and 20 questions of English. So there will be negative marking of 1/4 marks. नेगेटिव मार्किंग ज़्यादा है. इन 100 MCQ करने के लिए सिर्फ आपके पास यू विल हैव 1 hour. तो देयर विल बी लेस देन 1 minute फॉर ईच क्वेश्चन टू अटैम्प्ट ईच क्वेश्चन. तो 100 मार्क्स 60 मिनट, 100 क्वेश्चन 60 मिनट, इस हिसाब से होगा. दोज विल क्वालिफाई Tier 1 will have to appear in Tier 2 examination. This exam will be of descriptive type, subjective type. You will have to write essay, English comprehensive and practice writing. Essay जो होगा 30 marks का होगा, English comprehension and practice writing होगी. The duration of this exam will also be 1 year and for 50 marks. After that, we will qualify both Tier 1 and Tier 2. On the performance of the Tier 1, Tier 2 examination, you will be called for interview for 100 marks. there will be cutoff marks out of 100 in tier 1 एग्जामिनेशन. मिनिमम कट ऑफ मार्क्स भी होते हैं इसमें. जैसे अनरिजर्व कैटेगरी के लिए 35 कट ऑफ मार्क्स है. आफ्टर दैट दे विल check your tier 2 exam, otherwise they will not check your tier 2 exam. For OBC 34, SC ST 33, ये minimum cut off marks है that will make you eligible for further process. And the shortlisted candidate on the basis of performance in tier 1 examination, you will be shortlisted for tier 2 exam, and the number of candidates will be 10 times of the vacancies that will be selected for tier 2 examination. On the basis of their combined performance in tier 1 and tier 2, you will be called for interview, and the number of candidates will be 5 times of the vacancies. Most important closing date is 15th December. You will have to apply online. Registration करना उसमें अपना email address and phone number ये देना है. रिसेंट पासपोर्ट साइज फ़ोटोग्राफ होने चाहिए. 15 to 100 KB लेस देन इस रेंज में होनी चाहिए. एंड स्कैंड सिग्नेचर, यू शुड बी रेडी विद योर ऑल योर डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड सिग्नेचर्स एंड फोटोग्राफ्स should be 50 to 100 KB in JPG and JPEG format. वैलिड फ़ोटो ID प्रूफ होना चाहिए सेंट्रल स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का. सर्टिफिकेट्स मार्कशीट्स पर्टेनिंग टू क्लास 10, 12 एंड ग्रेजुएशन, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन जो भी है आपकी. कलर्ड फोटो ऑफ साइज 35 मिलीमीटर विथ एंड 45 मिलीमीटर हाइट की होनी चाहिए. नॉट ओल्डर देन 12 वीक्स, ज़्यादा पुरानी नहीं होनी चाहिए. ब्लैक एंड वाइट फ़ोटो विल नॉट बी एक्सेप्टेड. ज़्यादातर फॉर्म इसमें रिजेक्ट होते हैं IB में, तो you should be careful while filling this online application form. Scanned images should be between 50 to 100 KB in JPG format. वाइट पेपर विद ब्लैक इंक पेन से ही सिग्नेचर करके स्कैन करना है. ब्लू से नहीं करना, ब्लैक इंक से करना है स्कैन करके. एंड फी ₹100 है. एंड द रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेसिंग फीस 450 है. टू कंपोनेंट है फीस के. एग्जामिनेशन फीस 100, मतलब ऑल कैंडिडेट्स के लिए 450 रुपीज़ फीस है. एंड मेल कैंडिडेट्स who belongs to unreserved category, EWS and OBC category, there will be additional 100 rupees fees for as examination fees. So total amounts to 550 rupees for male candidate of unreserved category, and for all other candidates means for women's के लिए there will be 450 rupees chargeable as fees. The closing date is 15 December. Fill up this form at the earliest possible. And जो भी इसका स्टडी मटेरियल है आई विल प्रोवाइड यू ऑन द यूट्यूब बाय मेकिंग ए प्लेलिस्ट, एंड यू कैन आल्सो get this on my app Bhaduri Foundation. Thank you.